Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Tonight I am going on a date, so I thought why better not use this night for my first video. I done this purplish orangish smoky eye using the James Charles palette. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then just keep watching. Thanks. Also, side note, since this is my first video, I probably didn't explain things very well, and I'm probably really weird and awkward in it, which, you know, is kind of my biggest fear in this thing, so please just consider that. So first thing I like to do is prime my eyelids with MAC Painterly Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I just use it on this little flat brush like this, and I just put it all over my lid. And then I use just a little sponge like this that's damp, and then just use it to blend it out. And then once I'm done putting that on, I will go ahead and go in with the first color, which is this dark purplish pink color right here, using a somewhat flat but fluffy brush, if that makes sense. It's my first time doing a video, guys. Give me a break. So I just do that, and then I just pack it all over the lid. And I go in a couple times because for some reason the shade's not that pigmented. And it's gonna look a little crazy at first, but we'll blend it out. So just pack this all over, then sort of blend it. Just go back and forth just a tiny bit here. Okay, and then once that's all over the lid, I will go in with another brush. Go in with this brush right here and take that little orangey color, orangish red color there. Take this little orangey red color on this brush and then just start to blend. And go in little circular motions and windshield wiper motions. I do both. And go in with a little bit more of that color. Pack it just a tiny bit with a soft hand and then blend. And the next color I go into, this is like, oh, it looks yellow on camera, but it's actually like an orange, like a bright orange. It's weird, I don't know why it's picking up like that. I take it on a big fluffy brush, and then go over the outside edges. Just circular and windshield wipers both. Okay, then I'm gonna go back into that first color since it kind of faded out a little bit. The same brush I was using. And then I pack it and then blend it all over the lid. Just like that. Okay. Alrighty, and then I go in with the second shade again. In the same spot as last time, just blending out that color. So I am going into this darkest brown shade right there with a little tiny detailed brush. And then I'm gonna pack it all over the lid. It's gonna look crazy at first, but we'll blend it out. I'm just packing it in. Trying to get in that inner corner a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with that first color again, purplish color, and then just blend over it. Kind of blend up in windshield wiper motions. And last but not least, clean brush again. Light hand and blend. Here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna go do foundation, powder, bronzer, highlighter, all that jazz. And then I will be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, now that I am done with my face makeup, I am going to go back into that first purple shade. That one. The same, the same brush that I used. And then just lightly go underneath. Okay. Then I'm gonna go into that darkest brown color again. That one. With the little detailed brush that we used the first time, and just lightly go right on top of it like this, mostly on the waterline. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back into the orange color. So basically we're doing everything that we did on the top part to the bottom part. So I'm going in with that orangish shade right there again. And then lightly go on the outer edges of it, just lightly. Just as light as you can. You can kind of connect it with the top too, just so it all blends together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some liner on. What we use is the Tartiest liquid eyeliner, but this is the one that's doubled end. So I'm gonna go into the pencil side first and then color my waterline. And I am gonna go in with my mascara. Coat my upper and lower lashes. So that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave me any suggestions on any other looks you would like me to do. And again, sorry for being so weird and awkward through this video. I promise it'll get better. Thanks so much.